Welcome everybody to Talal Al Jazeera. Today I have this Caterpillar Marine Power C15 engine. I will show you all around this engine. This is massive engine. You can check the size. It's almost equal to my height. Yeah, you can check. You can check the badging of Caterpillar Marine Power. This is the transmission. These are the turbo. You can see from this side also. It's very neat and clean. 100% in working condition. Let me show you the other side. This is the other side. You can see the oil filters. Another parts. We have 5 C15 Marine Power engines in our stock. If anyone need it, we will give you at cheap price. We also buy engines. If anybody had from any part of the world, do contact to us, show the stock pictures, we will buy it. Engine parts, engines, heavy equipments, everything you have, send us details, talk to us on WhatsApp, we will buy it from you. You can see this engine clearly. This is the another one we have, C15 also. This is C15 also, and 3 we have in back. These are the controllers.